Hello class, this is again Engineer Marbs Ramos, your instructor in linear algebra. So this will be the continuation or the second part of our discussion on our first lesson, which is linear equation. Okay, so let's proceed. What is a linear equation? So a linear equation is an equation that can be written in the form ax plus b equals 0, where a and b are real numbers and a should not be 0. Okay, of course, no? A should not be 0. Kasi kung magiging 0 ang a, mawawala na rin yung variable. No? Tulad dito, in the form ax plus b, kung ang a natin ay 0, wala na rin yung x. So, this will not be an equation. Okay. So, and a and b are both real numbers. Ibig sabihin, either a positive or a negative number or integers. So, these are the basic steps to solve linear equation. Okay, step number 1, if there are fractions, no? Kung may mga fraction ng equation, first we need to eliminate them. We need to eliminate fractions by multiplying each member of the equation by the lowest common denominator. Second, we remove symbols by grouping or grouping. Third, we isolate all terms containing the variable on one side of the equation and all of the other terms on the opposite side. And we simplify by combining like terms. Fourth, we divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of the variable. And 5, check the solution by substituting the value of the unknown into the original equation. Just be reminded, no? That in cases wherein the variable appears under a radical sign, the radical should first be cleared of in the equation and then follow the basic steps in solving the linear equations. Okay, so let us try to solve the root or the solutions or solution set of the following equations in example 1.2, 1.1. So let's try to solve. Let's try to solve the first equation. So the answers have already been stated, but let's just try to prove and try to follow the basic steps in solving linear equations and try to prove kung tama nga ba itong solution na nandito. So let's take the first equation. 5x minus 5 equals 25. So let's check. Let's follow the instructions. So 1, eliminate fractions by multiplying each member of the equation by the lowest common denominator. In the case na merong fraction. Pero sa equation number 1, sinasolve natin, wala namang fraction. So we can disregard the first step. Then second step is remove symbols of grouping. So here we need to group the terms by combining terms, like terms. So like in this case, ang 5 at ang 25 parehas constant, so we can group them. And itong term na to, 5x, ay wala naman siyang kaparehas. Mag-isa lang siya na mayroong variable x. So, ang i-combine lang natin dito ay itong 5 at 25. So, we can just let 5x remain on the left side, 5x, and on the right side is 25. Then the negative 5, the negative 5 ay sa right side naman, ilipat natin. So, this will become plus 5. And the next step is to isolate all terms and simplify by combining like terms. So, this will just become 5x is equal to 30. Divide both sides of the equation, step number 4, by the coefficient of the variable. So, ano ba ang coefficient dito ng variable? Yung numerical coefficient. So it's 5. So we divide this by the numerical coefficient, which is 5. We also divide the right side. So on the left side, 5 will be cancelled, the numerical coefficient. Then we will just have x on the left side, and 30 divided by 5 is 6. And check the solution. Step 5, by substituting the value of the unknown into the original equation. So let us try to check. The equation is 5x minus 5 equals 25. So let us substitute 6 on the variable x. 5 times 6 minus 5 equals 25. So this is 30. 5 times 6 minus 5 equals 25. 30 minus 5, 25 equals 25. So therefore, we are correct that the answer to the first equation is 6. So let us try to solve the second equation. Equation B. So 3x 3/4 x equals 33. So the equation is 3/4 x equals 33. So dito, since fraction, ma-apply natin itong first step, no? That we need first to eliminate the denominator 4. Kasi fraction ito. So how can we eliminate the denominator 4? So we multiply both sides by the denominator, which is 4. We also multiply this by 4. So on the left side, makakancel na yung denominator. Ang matitira na lang ay 3x. Dito naman sa right side ng equation ay matitira yung 33 times 4, which is equal to 132. And then again, eliminating the numerical coefficient on the left side, we divide this by 3. We divide also the right side of the equation by 3. So the answer will be 44. Okay, so again, let us try to check. Let us substitute 44 in the given equation. 3/4 x, which is 44, equals 33. Okay. So, if you will notice, ito pwede na natin itong i-divide, no? Itong 44 tsaka 4. Kasi ito nasa taas, 44 numerator, ito denominator. You can just divide this, no? 44 divided by 4 is 10. Or you can go with the usual method that we multiply 3 by 44. So 44 times 3 will be equal to 132. All over 4 equals 33. 130 divided by 4 is 33 equals 33. So therefore, the answer is 44. Okay, how about on the third equation? So third equation, we have this. 2 times the quantity 2x minus 1 equals 7x plus 10. So let us try to solve. 2 we have 2 times the quantity 2x minus 1 equals 7x plus 10. So, the simplest way to solve this equation, since nakakita tayo ng parenthesis, it would be better for us to simplify first the equation. Especially itong left side. So, paano natin i-simplify? I-distribute natin yung 2 dito sa loob ng parenthesis na 2x minus 1, yung terms sa loob ng parenthesis. So, by distributive property, we multiply 2 times 2x. We multiply 2 times 2x. This will become 4x. And 2 times negative 1 will be negative 2. Equals 7x plus 10. So, again, we need to combine these similar terms. Dito, meron na tayong dalawang term na parehas may variable, yung 4x tsaka 7x, tsaka dalawa ding constants, negative 2 tsaka 10. So, let us combine these terms. 4x, then we transpose 7x to the left side of the equation from being having a positive 7x on the right side. This will become negative 7x equals positive 10. Transposing negative 2 from left going to the right side of the equation, this will become positive 2. 4x minus 7x is negative 3x equals 10 plus 2, 12. Divide this by negative 3 to eliminate the numerical coefficient. Divide this by negative 3. Then x will be negative 4. So let us try again to check if this is correct. So the equation is 2 times 2x minus 1 is equal to 7x plus 10. So 2 times negative 4, 2 times negative 4 minus 1 is equal to 7 times negative 4 plus 10. So let's first simplify the terms inside the bracket. 2 magiging 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 minus 1 equals 7 times negative 4, negative 28 plus 10, and this will become 2 times negative 9. Negative 8 minus 1 is negative 9 is equal to negative 28 plus 10. This is negative 18. 2 times negative 9, negative 18 equals to negative 18. Therefore, we are correct in our solution that x is equal to negative 4. Okay, so how about the fourth equation? The fourth equation. So, mukhang from basic, no? Medyo nagiging challenging yung ating equations. But let's just try to solve. Okay, so the fourth equation is this equation. 3x plus 7 over 2 plus 3x minus 7 equals 2x plus 3 over 5. Okay, so let us try to solve this equation. 3x plus 7 all over 2 plus 3x minus 7 equals 2x plus 3 all over 5. So we need first to eliminate the denominators para mas madali nating ma-solve. So we have 2 and 5 as the denominator. So to eliminate that, just multiply both sides of the equation by the least common multiple of 2 and 5, which is 10. So para mas madali to determine, just multiply the two denominators. 2 times 5 equals 10. So let us multiply both sides by 10. 10 times the quantity 3x plus 7 all over 2 plus 3x minus 7 equals 10 times 2x plus 3 all over 5. So we need to distribute 10 to all the terms in the equation here. So 10 times 3x plus 7 over 2, this will become 5 na lang times 3x plus 7 plus 10 times 3x. So this will become 30x minus 10 times negative 7. This is negative 70 equals 10 divided by 5. This will be cancelled. 2. So this will become 2 times 2x plus 3. So again, there are parentheses, both on the left and the right side of the equation. So it would be better to eliminate yung parentheses na yan. So again, multiply natin, distribute uli natin ito. 5 times 3x, 15x plus 5 times 7, 35 plus 30x minus 70 equals 4x, 2 times 2x, 2 times 3 plus 6. So dali na lang to. You just have to combine the like terms, yung may mga variable na x. Ito, 15x, 30x, and 4x. So i-combine natin yan. On the left side of the equation, this will become 15x plus 30x. We transpose 4x from the right side to the left side. This will become minus 4x equals, so we also group the constants, 6, then transposing 35 to the left side, this will become minus 35, and minus 70 will become plus 70. 15x plus 30x minus 4x is 41x is equal to 6 minus 35 is negative 29 plus 70. So this is also 41. Divide the left side by the numerical coefficient 41. Divide also the right side by 41. On the left side, 41 will be cancelled. X is equal to 1. Again, let us try to check. Let us try to check if tama itong nakuha natin na sagot. So to check, let us substitute 1 to the equation. 3x plus 7, so 3 times 1 plus 7 all over 2 plus 3 times 1 minus 7 equals 2 times 1 plus 3 all over 5. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 7. This will become 10 over 2 plus 3 minus 7 equals 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3, 5 over 5. So 10 divided by 2 is 5 plus 3 minus 7 equals 1. Then 5 plus 3 is 8 minus 7 equals 1. 1 equals 1. Therefore, our answer x is equal to 1 is correct. So let us try to solve one more equation. Try naman natin ngayong i-solve itong merong radical sign. Let's try to solve. Like for example, itong equation sa G. This equation. The square root of x plus 4 equals 2 times the square root of x minus 2. So let us try to solve this equation. Square root of x plus 4 equals 2 times the square root of x minus 2. So kung may radical sign, to eliminate the radical sign, we just have to raise the equation to the power of 2 since it is a square root. So to eliminate the radical sign, we raise this to 2. We raise also this to 2. Okay. So this will become, the radical sign will be eliminated. So this will just be x plus 4. And on the right side, we square 2 and we square the quantity square root of x minus 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. Then, mawawala uli yung radical sign, x minus 2 na lang. So by just simplifying the equation, this will become x plus 4 equals 4x minus 8. Grouping again like terms, so this will become x minus 4x is equal to negative 8 minus 4. X minus 4x is negative 3x is equal to negative 12. Divide this by the numerical coefficient, negative 3 para makancel. Negative 3 din sa kabila. Left side will just be x, and on the right side, negative 12 divided by negative 3 is positive 4. Again, just to be sure, let us try to check. We have the square root of x plus 4 equals 2 times the square root of x minus 2. We'll have the square root of 4 plus 4 equals 2 times the square root of 4 minus 2. This will be square root of 8 equals 2 times the square root of 2. Again, square root of 8 equals, pwede nating ipasok yung 2 sa loob ng radical sign. This will just be 2 times 2 is squared. Square root of 8 is equal to square root of 2 times 4. Square root of 8 equals square root of 8. Therefore, our answer, x is equal to 4, is correct. So, this is just an example on how to solve linear equations. Now, I would like for you, as your homework, to solve the remaining equations, to solve the solution or the root of this remaining equation. Again, meron na yung sagot. I just want to see how you solve equations. So this remaining 4, E, F, H, I will be your homework. Okay, so on a clean sheet of paper, you solve this, you copy the problem, you write your name, you copy the problem, and you solve it completely, showing the step-by-step solution of finding the root or the solution of these equations. And I will just post it an assignment on our Google class so you can submit it there. So for now, for the second part of our lesson, hanggang dito muna ulitin tayo. So we will again post the third and last part of this lesson, linear equations.